Hi.
My name is Chetan.
My name is Nikita Shah. We've been married for 6 years. Chetan started his shop when he was 18 years old. Initially, he used to work at his cousin's shop. Post that, he has also worked for 2 to 3 years as a manager at Mahalakshmi. It then occurred to us that if he was working so diligently for someone else, why not do the same thing for us? He had all the knowledge and I was always ready to support him. As you can see, we have a lot of brands and products in our shop like chocolates, sausages, oil, organic products, etc. The biggest problem we are facing currently is that everything is done manually here. We've not digitalized anything here yet. So we wanted to know if there is any plan which can be implemented that can help us avail the benefits of digitalization for our business.
I'm totally new here. We have started just 2.5 months back. And there is a lot of competition here. There are many shops around here. And the biggest challenge was letting the customers know that there's a new outlet opened here. Right now, most of the customers are sitting at home. So in case of any emergency, many customers send their housekeepers to buy the grocery items. So most of the customers are not even aware about our store. Because of digitalization, customers are also ordering all the important items online itself. Hence, even we are thinking about going digital.
Since we are new to the locality, our delivery boys sometimes cannot locate the place. Customers also express unhappiness if the order is delayed sometimes. Even the delivery boys get frustrated in this scenario.
A lot of my suppliers are giving me good offers. We also have good offers at our store. But reaching out to customers is becoming a challenge.
We faced a lot of financial problems in our initial days. Then we got a call from Neo Growth and we took a loan from them which helped us a lot. Since Neo Growth is helping us with the digitalization of our shop, we both are equally excited to see the transformation of our store, our customers' response to it, and how our customer relationship will get enhanced. Customers should be eager to visit NS stores for all the offers we have in store for them. We hope to reach maximum customers through these offers and make customer connection, thus uplifting our business.
Hi, we are Neo Growth Credit Private Limited. Neo Growth is a leading player in the space of SME lending. Neo Growth believes in empowering small businesses, and that is exactly the reason why we have launched DigiBiz. DigiBiz is a platform that helps transformation of small businesses and aid the growth of their business. When we visited NS Store for the first time, it was very important for us to know the current state of their business and what can be done to upgrade it. Through our Digitometer method, we asked them to fill a simple survey form to evaluate their business's digital score. After analyzing the score, the algorithm then gave us a few recommendations for NS Store, which we then started implementing. When we analyzed the location of Chetan's store, we realized that it was at a corner where passers-by couldn't easily notice his store. While it was a big store, people would not notice it. And secondly, they had recently moved from Andheri to Khar location, so people anyways didn't know about his store. Keeping this in mind, we suggested them to tie up with a brand from their own store and get a dealer board made which can enhance their visibility and create a branding opportunity.
With suggestions from Neo Growth, I spoke to my product partner and they made a banner for us. And Neo Growth has given us a logo, NS Store.
At NS Stores, the records of stock keeping, billing, customer information was being managed but in bits and pieces, and more importantly, everything was happening manually. Hence, we recommended SnapBiz to NS Stores.
With the system installed at our store by SnapBiz, maintaining our customer billing, customer data, products availability and quantity has become very easy for us. At the end of the day, we get to track our product sales, what kind of customers are buying from us and which products are sold. All this information is easily available in the system itself and we do not have to maintain separate books for the same. They also provide us with the entire television system to advertise our product. With the extensive range of products in our shop, it is not possible for us to physically give all the details to our customers.
It is very important for a grocery supermarket to display all their brands and products very neatly and category-wise on the shelves. Also, the information such as offers, MRP discounts should be displayed very nicely. This is something that was missing at NS stores and we started implementing the same for them.
We always dreamt of having an online store and Neo Growth helped us fulfill that. We were able to make a lot of new customers with Near.store. Our sales have also increased and we are truly happy to be present on an online platform now.
I was searching for imported food products on Google and came across NS Store. I also noticed that their store had very good reviews and ratings, so I immediately came here and saw that the store has a vast range of food products.
Small businesses like us usually need a lot of help, exactly the way Neo Growth supported us. At first, they helped us financially by giving us a loan. Then, through digitalization, they helped us to increase our customer base. With digital operations, we are also able to attend to more and more customers in a shorter time. This has uplifted our overall business as well. With Neo Growth's help, our customers have increased approximately by 20 to 30%. Thank you, Neo Growth, and thank you, Digibiz.
Alright, so this was Chetan and Nikita's story. A story of a couple who decided to take a leap of faith and become first-generation entrepreneurs. At Neo Growth, we have always encouraged first-generation entrepreneurs. Therefore, we are proud of Digibiz because it not only helps small businesses to transform but also makes them completely independent. We invite all small businesses to come, explore, transform, and grow.